Hey guys, Miata here. Today we're just gonna look at a little maintenance tip that I like to do on my own car, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. And it is the fluid that's in the brake master cylinder reservoir and also the clutch master cylinder reservoir. They get dirty and discolored over time, and rather than bleed the entire system every time it gets a little bit dirty, I like to take off the cap. And it's not bad on this one, but it's tea colored and it's starting to change. So what I like to do is I like to take my little Pella pump here, my little suction pump. This one's a Pella 200 oil extractor, and I like to suck all of the fluid out of there. And also, if you are going to bleed your brakes, it's a good idea to suck all this old stuff out so you're not running it all through the system if you're going to bleed the brakes anyway. So suck it all out. There we go. And then take some .3 brake fluid, which is what these things use. And then carefully refill it to the max level. There we go. So that's filled up to where it should be. This is something nice and quick and easy that just helps everything to stay good. There, make sure you get the lid on properly, like that. Now, if you spill any fluid at all, make sure you clean it up right away, because brake fluid eats paint. It will eat through the paint if left to sit. So if you do spill some, not a big deal. Wipe it up and then put some water on it to hose it off afterwards, okay? So that's the brake master cylinder reservoir drained and refilled with new fluid. Next, we'll do the clutch master cylinder reservoir. Now this one will go black a lot quicker than this one. Usually the clutch reservoir, the fluid is just gross. It's really, really black. So on this car, this is a very well looked after car, so it's not bad. But we're gonna suck it out anyway. I'm gonna try and get as much of the sludge out the bottom as we can. It's also a very good thing to keep an eye on the level of your clutch master cylinder. If you have a leak at your slave cylinder, you'll very slowly lose the fluid out of the master. And once that happens, you have symptoms of a clutch failure. And a lot of times on Miatas, you lose your clutch all of a sudden, and it's not that your clutch has gone bad, it's either the clutch master cylinder has gone bad or the clutch slave cylinder has gone bad, which is a lot easier and a lot cheaper than replacing the clutch. So if you're having problems on the side of the road, a clutch not working, check this level. And if it needs fluid, put some fluid in and pump it a bunch of times, and there's a decent chance you'll get back on the road again. So I hope that helps to get you out of a jam one day. So there you are. So both of these are brand new fluid now. They look great. If you are going to bleed anything, you're going to bleed nice fresh fluid through the system rather than the old stuff and all the sludge and gunk at the bottom of the reservoirs. And that's how easy it is. So some people use a turkey baster. I like to use a suction pump because it gets everything. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll make more videos soon.